everyone. Welcome back to Cookie Month. It's National Cookie Month. Did you know that, Polar Bear?
I did.
We have my friend Polar Bear's here.
Hi everybody, I'm back.
And he's wearing his chef hat.
Yeah, I'm prepared this time.
Looks awesome. Okay, so today we're making Lego cookies. Did you ever have a Lego themed party and you wanted something that was easy to make, that was even fun for the kids to do? They could definitely do these. Okay, so you start out with a marshmallow crispy treat, and I totally cheated. This is a hack. I bought the marshmallow crispy treats in a bag. And you can make them yourself.
That's the easy way out.
It is the easy way, but I was in kind of a rush to make this video, and I wanted to get it done.
It's okay, you don't have to explain.
So you're gonna start out with a rectangle-shaped marshmallow crispy treat, like, ooh, this is so sticky, like that. Let's make sure it actually looks like a rectangle.
That's a
Does
rectangle,
it look like a rectangle? Okay, so there you go. There is the rectangle-shaped Lego, and all you need is some colored frosting and M&Ms. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna spread the frosting on top and place the M&Ms where the little pegs would be on a normal looking Lego. As you can see, this one has 8, this one only has 6.
But you can make different shapes, right?
You can make squares. What else do we have for Lego shapes?
Just circles, you know.
Yeah, and you can choose your circles. Legos are hard to work with if they're circular, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. They are. I like to build stuff with them though.
Yeah, I love Legos. And I think this is the perfect snack for a Lego party.
Oh yeah.
Or just for the fun of it. I think my grandson would like this. I always say that. He loves frosting, so. So I have blue, I have green, I have yellow.
And red.
And red. I am partial to the yellow frosting. It seems like the less food coloring is in that. I'm not sure. But so you just frost the top. This is like the easiest thing ever. And then you have your little M&Ms and you try to match the color with the color, as you can see. Maybe I'll try to fit 8 on this one.
That one looks like Cookie Monster.
It kind of does. And this could be something you could do too. You can make faces. You can make minions if you're doing a minion party.
Yeah.
You could do, was that from Despicable Me?
I think so. Yeah.
Sometimes I know things.
But you don't decorate them with regular Legos though. They look like Legos.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, this one has 8. So there's your Lego. That's cool. Your marshmallow crispy treat Lego. Now I'm just gonna make one more. It's so easy. Oh, I need another knife though that's not got other food coloring on it. So let me just wipe this one off.
You can mix the colors together.
You could.
You know.
And if you are into purple or pink, you can never find enough purple or pink Legos, can you?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm partial to the primary colors.
I like primaries too.
The yellows and the, blues and the reds.
And when you're decorating for your party, you can put up like a bin like this in the background. Can you see that, guys? Yes. And you can put on display with real Legos your imaginary Legos for the kids to eat.
Yeah, that's cool. And they can play with them too.
Yeah, and this is so easy. Now I cheated again. I used Wilton food coloring.
Oh.
So that's a red, because they have really bright colors. That's the yellow that I used. I mixed up the blue myself.
Oh, okay.
So I just used white frosting. You can use white frosting of your choice and mix food coloring in it.
Maybe I'll take some from the Elves workshop or Santa's workshop.
Oh, good idea.
They're my neighbors. They don't mind if I borrow stuff. They always tell me. I even know where their extra key is. Don't ask me.
Oh, okay. You are so silly. All right. Now, the M for the M&M is showing on this one, but you get the idea. I'm a little particular about the frosting. I make sure that it goes along the edges so it doesn't show the edge. Okay, that's a little bit better. Get creative with this.
Oh.
So, like I said, we have red, we have blue, we have yellow. Oh, I like the yellow one.
I like the yellow too.
And you can use lemon frosting. So there's your Legos.
Very nice.
I always say this, so easy, so simple. You can get everything you need at the grocery store, no problem. And you can make your own marshmallow crispy treats if you want.
Yeah, I mean, they're not hard. I mean, it doesn't take much. Butter, marshmallows,
Krispies, Rice Krispies.
That's about it.
Yeah, and so try this at home and enjoy it with your kiddos.
Yeah, fun.
Yeah.
I might even build with these later.
Ooh, that would be interesting. Let me see, actually. Can you do that? Ooh.
Make a nice stack.
Little Lego stack. Check it out. Good idea. All right, friends. Thanks so much for joining us today. Say goodbye, Polar Bear.
See you later, alligator.
See you for our next cookie recipe and celebrate National Cookie Month and enjoy some cookies.
Yay.